Hey friends, welcome back to Math Coach Corner. Today you're going to look at two integer problems and decide, is the answer correct or is there a mistake? Then we'll check each one together and talk through why. Let's get started. Take a look at this one. Negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4. Do you think this statement is correct? Go ahead and pause and decide. Okay, here we have different signs, negative 12 and positive 8. When you add integers with different signs, you subtract and keep the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So 12 minus 8 is 4, and since negative 12 has the larger absolute value, the answer to this addition problem is negative 4. But let's take it a step further and prove it using a number line. Starting at negative 12, we'll move positive 8 units to the right, and that will land us at negative 4, proving that the statement truly is correct. Now look at this one. Negative 7 plus negative 7 equals 0. Do you think this statement is correct? This time, both of the integers have the same sign. They are negative. When you add integers with the same signs, add and keep the sign. So we add 7 plus 7 to get 14 and keep the negative sign. So the answer should be negative 14, not 0. This statement is a good example of a common mistake that students make. It almost appears as if the 7s are opposites, a negative 7 paired with a positive 7. But taking a closer look, you see that both integers are negative. And we can prove this statement is incorrect with a number line. Starting at negative 7, then move 7 units to the left, landing at negative 14. So remember, always look closely at both integers and their signs before deciding on the answer. Nice work today. At Math Coach Corner, the goal is not to just get an answer, but to really think about whether it makes sense. That kind of checking helps you catch mistakes and gain more confidence in your math skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Doing this keeps our channel going strong. And head on over to mathdefined.com for the next set of lessons about adding rational numbers. I'll see you soon, and until then, keep math awesome.